Hi everyone, my name is Muneeb Hasan and I am a senior solution engineer with Protegrity. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can protect your sensitive data assets on S3 bucket using Protegrity's data protection platform. Protegrity provides various different methods for data protection. For example, for data at rest, encryption can be used, which can be AES 256-bit encryption along with format preserving encryption. Data tokenization, which is Protegrity's patented vaultless method for tokenization, can also be used, which does not require a lookup table between the original values and the tokenized values. And hashing, which is a one way irreversible data protection method. For data in use, data masking, anonymization, and synthetic data can be used for data protection. Anonymization and synthetic data generation are very useful tools for your machine learning and AI initiatives. For the sake of today's discussion, we will be focusing on data tokenization. Protegrity helps with data enablement by maximizing business opportunities while mitigating the risks. Using Protegrity, enterprises can lower operational costs, achieve competitive advantage, and gain access to data while being compliant with the regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. A lot of companies have initiatives around digital transformation where they are moving data to the cloud, for example, and don't feel comfortable moving their sensitive data assets. Enterprises leverage Protegrity to protect their sensitive data and perform move to the cloud without the worry of exposing sensitive data out in the open. Here's a good example of the options an enterprise would have to protect their sensitive data assets either on-prem or in the cloud. For the sake of today's discussion, we will be focusing on S3 bucket protection. A file will land into an input S3 bucket, and a lambda function, which is used to protect an unprotected dataset, will trigger to pick up the file from the input bucket, protect the sensitive fields, and place the protected file onto the output S3 bucket. And on the left, you can see Protegrity's Enterprise Security Administrator, where you define your policy and how the dataset should be protected. This is the input bucket where the file with sensitive data fields will land. The mapping.json file will define how each sensitive field should be protected. This is the output bucket where after the lambda function protects the file, we'll place the protected file. And here is the input file. Let's query the dataset and see what data does it have. In this file, there are a lot of sensitive fields like first name, last name, address, credit card number, social security. So what we will do is we will copy this file and place it into that input bucket. Once copied, it would take very short amount of time for it to be processed, and it's already done. And let's go over to the output bucket and see the result. All the fields have been tokenized and the file has been protected. And this operation took very few seconds to get it done. Now, just to summarize, today I showed you what different protection options are available with Protegrity, what value Protegrity adds for business critical use cases, and how data protection is done in the cloud on an S3 bucket. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at muneeb.hassan@protegrity.com. Thanks. Bye.